For decades, the Pakistani market has known the Toyota Hilux as the most dominant four-wheeler on its roads, with its utility ranging from being a spacious and luxurious high-capacity family vehicle to a robust and reliable off-roader. The new Toyota Hilux Revo is nothing short of an engineering marvel designed to fulfill any roles it's put in. With an eye-catching new appearance, more advanced features, and enhanced safety, it's designed to cater to a variety of lifestyles requiring power and durability. For the off-road natural habitat of a Revo and its urban presence, the front of the vehicle has been designed to look meaner and modern. The front of the Revo has been designed to depict power with a trapezoidal grille with a thick frame, giving it a rugged look with a prominent horizontal axis extending across the headlamps and upper grille. The new redesign of the Revo's headlamps now comes with bi-beam LEDs. Similarly, the tail lamp has also been upgraded with high-grade LEDs. Complementing these exterior upgrades are 18-inch alloy wheels with the deep spoke structure and iconic machine-finish design. Not only does the Revo dominate the great outdoors, but it's also a head-turner on the urban roads. With a range of colors to complement your style and personality, Hilux Revo is an international urban icon. The interior has been revitalized with a new calm black leather theme that enhances the sophisticated image of the interior. Considering the need for modern accessibility and information systems during driving, the combination meter has been refined to ensure a high-class and precise feel. With elegant metal-tone dials, plated rings, and redesigned graphics, one feels the detail that goes into crafting the interior of the new Revo. The MID conveys real-time information while driving, like tire turning angles on the display. The instrument panel showcases the newly designed tablet-style audio head unit with 9-inch display featuring Android OS, 4G connectivity, and a 6-speaker surround sound system. Major focus has been on the power, torque, and fuel economy enhancement of the new generation 2.8-liter 1GD engine. Now enjoy higher power and torque output that ensures power acceleration across a wider power band. Making the drive even smoother is the new variable flow control power steering to achieve enhanced fuel economy and natural steering feel that matches the speed. In addition, by shifting to four-wheel drive low, the VFC system recalibrates and provides a constant level of assist via steering. The Revo's ride comfort has been enhanced by improved cabin mounts and optimally tuned absorbers which aim to achieve reduced cabin vibrations and superior steering response. The foundation of Hilux's toughness is the heavy-duty frame structure designed to endure loads and strains. Toyota's legendary stepped traction approach allows the driver to go wherever the journey takes them with confidence. Traction control is the first step. For more capability in two-wheel drive mode, the driver can push the TRC off switch to engage Auto LSD. Auto LSD does not limit engine output. It enhances start-off performance by applying drive torque to the wheels that have the best traction. With four-wheel drive high, active traction control automatically engages if the stability control system judges it necessary. ATRC identifies wheel slip during acceleration, then adjusts the throttle to reduce engine power and selectively brakes individual wheels to restore traction. For even more traction, the driver can engage four-wheel drive low with ATRC. In four-wheel drive low range, priority is given to engine power and rapid braking. In the last step, the driver can engage the rear differential lock that is effective in conditions when one of the rear wheels is not gaining sufficient traction. A whole array of safety and support features are a part of the Revo to ensure control at all times, providing peace of mind and prioritizing the safety of your loved ones. The Revo also comes with multiple passive safety features to provide a reassuring sense of security for all passengers. Clubbing all these features, the new Revo turns into one beast of a machine.